Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Jovan Julian Maulana from class TI 23B1. In this video, I will explain about Indonesia culture communication. Understanding intercultural communication, Goming, Shen, and Williams. Surtout said that intercultural communication is a process of negotiation or a change of symbolism system that could human behavior and limit them in carrying out their functions as a group. Furthermore, intercultural communication is carried out by negotiating in people intercultural meeting, which also discuss them that as being disputes. Symbols do not have meaning, but they can meaning in a content that meaning a negation of folk for. Through the exchange of system symbols debate on agreement between the subject involved in communication and discussion in to participating in the process of assigning the same meaning as a guide to culture behavior that is not programmed but is useful because it has influence on our behavior. So the function of a group so that we can distinguish ourselves from other group and identify them in false ways. Next, the role of language in intercultural communication. Communication that occurs between cultures is often hard. This is because their different culture of lifestyle will create misunderstanding between the two individuals. So there needs to be something that can reduce the level of misunderstanding between two individuals so that this do not occur. This can be found in both verbal and non-verbal language. The natural of intercultural communication. 1. Enculturation refers to the process by which culture is transmitted from one generation to the next. We can learn culture, not inherit culture is transmitted through the learning process. Not through Guinness and providing group friends, school, regulation institution, and government institution or the main teacher in the field of culture. 2. Acculturation refers to the process by which a person culture is modified through their contact or exposure to another culture. And the next function of intercultural communication. Personal function A. Expressing Christianity in the process of intercultural communication. There are several individual communication behaviors that can be used to express social identity. This behavior is expressed through language, action, both verbally and non-verbally. B. Declare social integration. The essence of the concept of social integration is strengthening unity and honesty between individuals and between groups, but still recognizing the difference that each element has, and it also needs to be understood that out of the goal of communication is to provide the same meaning to the message shared between the communicator and the communicated. And the next principle of intercultural communication. 1. Language relativity. The general is that language influences things and behavior in short will faced by linguistic anthropology. In the late 1905s and throughout the 1930s, it was formulated that language characteristic influence the cognitive processing of words. Since the words language differ greatly in terms of their semantic and structural characteristics, it seems reasonable to say that people was different Language will assure different in the way the perceives and think about the world. Language is mirror of culture. Language represents different cultural that contain the cultural difference, the more visible difference in communication, both language and not verbal signals. The greater the difference between culture, the more different it is to communication. 3. Reduce ambiguity between culture. The greater the difference between culture, the greater the uncertainty and ambiguity in communication. Much of our communication seeks to raise this uncertainty so that we can better describe predict and explain the behavior of their way to greater uncertainty and the ambiguity more the effort needed to reduce uncertainty and to communication for meaningful. And the next 4 differences between culture, the greater the difference between culture, the greater the perception self-awareness during communication is expression and negative consequence of the positive suit the self-awareness may more alter the differences which from saying things that make real initiative or inappropriate and the negative is of course this will make auto careful notification and less confident. Problems in cultural communication. International communication or internal communication is a form of intercultural communication that occurs between two or more countries. This problem can be seen from various kinds of diplomatic and propaganda activities which are often related to intercultural and intercarrier conditions. The form of communication tend to be related to the interests of one country and the other country, which include economy, politics, defense, and other issues. 2. Intercultural communication. Communication of or intercultural communication is a form as communication that occurs when there is interaction of communication process between individual or group of different races. This problem in communication has the main characteristic, namely that the communication and communication are from different races. Race itself is a classification of a group of individuals based on biological characteristics. 3. Interethnic communication. Interethnic communication or intercultural communication is a form of communication where the communication process come where different ethnic groups and ethnic group is a group of people characterized by a common language and origin. The refer interactor communication intercultural communication. And the next factor is intercultural communication. 1. Mobility. Traveling from one continent to another is no longer a special thing. At activities like this becomes common activities carried out by people. This event because they are tempting business opportunity and guaranteeing education. So there is widespread mobility and various culture on the area. 2. Economic factor also influence intercultural communication. For example, Indonesia, which has a developing economy, will experiencing different on the country. When economy level sudah is achieved in youth and there is a unification of culture, technology is required and grow more available to technology is available to bring broad culture. Into an which can influence theater culture. The river technology is also available to make intercultural communication easier and more factual. Even sooner of later technology can have an effect to large scale culture change. 3. Immigration is no longer strong when we work in our of house. We see strength all around is to happen because immigration activities for a process to culture unification occur of is the usual electoral law. This across communication to our far political interests also contribute to the emergence of intercultural communication, like when the King of Arabian visited Indonesia, or which first when President Jokowi visited Australia. This contributed during intercultural communication. Benefits of studying intercultural communication. This is different from intercultural communication. Communication is in the lifestyle or way of life on the different people and often creates misunderstanding between individuals when communication. So we need to study intercultural communication. If we want to study intercultural communication, we will get between in communication niche when people watch lifestyle are different from ours, so that the ours misunderstanding or even listen when communication with the person that another benefit then we can get is when we are the position of a third person wishes to be perfecting because their communication is mutually misunderstanding, so that's where we can be a bridge between the two until the misunderstanding is solved. And next, okay, thank you very much to their video.